Hey guys, Jamie Sokolsky here with Mosmatic Corporation, and today what we're going to do is go over a new product that we're launching out. It's the Mosmatic Undercarriage Cleaning Ramp. The reason why we came out with this is because we understand not everybody has the budget to buy a complete system, so we've designed componentry that's completely adaptable, whether you have a small fleet up to a large commercial fleet. Give me a moment, and we'll go through and show you what makes this system special. Now the first component I want to go over is the ramp itself. It's constructed of 304 stainless steel because of its durability and resistance to corrosion. For structural integrity, we've run 6 separate spines. On the exterior spine, we have it pre-drilled so that you can easily use it for your mounting hardware. We've also run a channel in through these spines. That's going to be so that your hoses or your plumbing is run through there and it keeps them protected and out of the way. On the inside, it's drilled and pre-tapped holes for your hardware for mounting the rack system. This is going to help for installation and keep everything aligned. On the top deck, we use slip-resistant diamond plate. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you the rack system itself and how we're going to mount it to this ramp. The next component I want to go over is the internal framing. Now, I had mentioned earlier that the ramps are pre-drilled and tapped, and that is to take any guesswork out of installation so you don't have to worry about any alignment issues. The swivels are mounted to a secondary support system, which is actually lower than the cross rails. And the reason why we did this is so that we could have an ease of operation for washing out the system, but also running the plumbing. Mentioned earlier, we do have a channel that runs through the ramp to keep the hoses out of the way so we don't have the risk of having them run over. We have a debris guard that comes over the top, and that debris guard is going to prevent any heavy snow, mud, or rocks from dropping down onto the rotor arms, which is going to cause damage to your swivels. Now, the swivels themselves are rated 4,000 psi, 250 degree temp, and can take chemicals from 3 to 12. If you notice, we have them set out so they do a conical wash pattern. And the reason why we did that is so that when the water makes impact, it kind of has a throw off, so it's scraping the mud and debris and getting up into the different channels underneath that chassis. To set the system up, get with your dealer. They're going to change the insert nozzles that are going to match your pumping system. Now I want to take a moment and go over a couple accessory items that we have for the outside that's going to be for your rocker and side blasters. Accessory items that we designed for the ramp system are going to be the outriggers, which easily mount to the side of the ramp, which allows for installation of the towers. Now on the towers, you're able to go with our side cannons and rocker blasters. A great feature of the side cannons and rocker blasters is the ability to adjust the angle as well as the height. Should you have larger vehicles and need to expand the system, we also offer extension poles. As you can see, the Mosmatic Undercarriage Wash System is the most customizable system built around your needs that's available on the market today. Should you need any further information, please reach out to us or contact an authorized Mosmatic dealer.